Hi everyone, this is Nathan, and today's video this is a talk about my dad doing something with trains that I think you might know about, but don't know about on my dad's side of the story. I don't expect you to believe this. I'm not sure if you believe me when I say this. My dad did a Verins decal on the Amtrak locomotives. I'll pop up on the screen now to show you what they are.
They told you that we didn't want to see that because they're home.
And you might be wondering, how do you do that? Well, he works for a regular decal company in Schuylkill County.